If you're a realtor that's starting off on social media, these are some tips that you should consider in order to be successful and hopefully go viral. My name is Gravir Singh and I am a BC realtor. I built my entire business through social media alone, just by posting one video every single day. So today I'm just going to share some crucial tips that you really should consider before diving in on social media platforms. Whether you're planning to focus on property tours like I do, or you might go more value-based, talking about the market, updates, tips for buyers or sellers, that sort of stuff. These are just going to be some fundamental tips that are going to help streamline your success. So the first step is just figuring out how you're going to structure your content. 99% of the videos I post are going to be on property tours. Sometimes here and there, I'm going to post some stories that are going to, include some tips. That's about it. Be consistent with the same type of content because it's just worked with me. It's created a theme and it's helped just build up my brand and my brand image. If you're going to do property tours like me, then you're going to need a couple things. First thing is a gimbal, which is just a phone stabilizer. You're going to need a high quality camera, which can just be your iPhone, whatever phone you're using. And an editing app, I use CapCut. It's really easy to use. You can use it on your phone or your laptop. So next, you want to just see what the other realtors in your market are posting. There's a lot of realtors in BC, especially doing property tours, but there's also realtors who are just going to post just listed, just sold, and it's not giving any value. But just seeing what others are posting is just going to give you an idea of, kind of what to post and how you can differentiate your content from them. Okay, the next part I definitely highly recommend, because as you start building up your social media, you're going to start bringing in leads. So you're going to start getting clients, you're going to start getting calls, emails. And one thing that has really helped me is having a good CRM. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. It's just going to help you keep track of all of your leads and just making sure that nothing kind of slips through the cracks. Because once you start getting leads, you're going to start to forget. And this next tip is more towards just time management. You want to plan out your content in a way that aligns with your own schedule, because you do want to be posting every day. You can choose whether you have enough time, especially if you're a new realtor, you will, shooting property tours every single day. But as you start to get busier, then every single day becomes difficult. And instead, what you can do is just on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, find a bunch of open houses. Most of the pre-sale centers are open, and just go like a few hours, shoot 5 or 6 places, and you're good for the week. And again, consistency, which is posting every day, is essential because you have an audience. You want them to see you every single day. For example, Instagram, if you're posting every day, like when your friends, family, even other realtors, they're going to open the app, they're going to see you first. So you're building your audience and just keeping them engaged every single day. Just make sure that you have all of the, main social media accounts set up. So that'll be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. My Instagram is linked to my Facebook page, so it automatically posts there. There's also LinkedIn and those kind of platforms, but LinkedIn is a lot more professional, so I don't post property tours there. Once you have them set up, just start following other realtors, follow some content creators, engage with them, build up that network on social media. And when you're posting, use hashtags. They do help, but don't be the person who uses like 100 different hashtags in one video. On TikTok, I use 5 hashtags. 3 to 4 of them are pretty broad, and then the other one or other 2 will just be like the city or the basic area that I'm in. So you'll start finding the mix of hashtags that kind of works for you in your videos. Then you can just kind of stick with it. Find what works best. Finally, be prepared for negative comments, especially on TikTok, because TikTok will push your content out to random people, not just your followers. If you're like me, posting videos in the lower mainland, we all know that prices are very steep, comparing them to Alberta, Calgary, Edmonton prices. So people are going to be hating on that for sure. And, just little things like there's going to be haters. Just don't give them the time of day. Don't respond to their comments. And don't let it discourage you, because you're focused on your goal, and your goal is to build your business, and that's it. There's going to be people that are hating you, but there's going to be 10 times more people that love you. And you're going to find that the people that are regularly engaging with you are doing so because they're attracted to your vibe and your frequency. Those people are the ones that are going to be the best for your growth. I've done videos for almost 6 months now, posted every single day. What is that, like almost 180 videos, something like that. Now when people are scrolling through my pages, it's just like it's the exact same sort of thing. So it's a whole thing for my page, plus it's my brand. Now your audience is going to begin resonating with your content. You know, if you're doing voiceovers, I used to do voiceovers, not anymore. When I did, I have a really calm voice when I'm talking in my videos, so it was almost like I was whispering. A lot of people hated on it too, made fun of it, but I mean, it worked for me. And now I'll just do the intro where I'm talking, sometimes an outro, and just add music. I don't do voiceover. So these tips are going to help you slowly build your foundation and just start strong on social media. If you're a new agent, seasoned agent, if you just have any questions about social media, pretty much anything you guys have questions about, just feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching.